In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the aspect ratio on CapCut. So this should be a quick and easy process video. As you can see, just upload your video to the timeline, then choose your video by clicking on it. After that, go to the playback area and you will find the ratio option over here. Click on it, then choose custom. If you want to use a custom ratio that is not available, you can name it, then change the ratio over here. As you can see, you can type the pixels and everything you need. After you have done that, just click on Save, and the ratio will be changed. Or you can also change it from here by choosing one of the available ratios, for example, 9:16. As you can see, the aspect ratio changes instantly. You can choose whatever you want, then resize the video to fit the aspect ratio. After you have done that, you can always come back to the original video ratio by clicking here, then clicking on Original. So this was how to fix the aspect ratio on CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.